Birthday list. We'll start with a big number 4 for Mackenzie Short. Now, Mackenzie, she celebrated on November the 3rd, but I wasn't going to miss. I wanted to make sure that we got a picture on there because when you have a beautiful bow like that, everybody needs to see it. So, Mackenzie, we're going to carry this birthday celebration for you all through the weekend, kid. I'll have a great day.
And we've got Miss Nevaeh Luke, who's now celebrating birthday number 9 this year. She's in Iola, Kansas. Happy birthday, Nevaeh.
Avery Morris, she is turning 9 years old. Whoa! Avery is a brave soul. Look at that.
Got her a gator.
Go back to Avery real fast. And no offense, Jaden, I'm going to get to you here in a second, because that's a great picture too. Can we go back to Avery? It's like our own Jack Hanna right there. And our own Jack Hanna holding a gator, turning 9 years old in Cherokee. That's all right. There's Jaden O'Banion. That is a little Pittsburgh Purple Dragon pride right there, as Jaden celebrates her 15th out on the volleyball court. Now she's in Pittsburgh, and Jaden, I want you to know that this belated birthday comes from Mama and your whole family. There's Jaden.
All right. And then we have Dolores Eiston.
Sorry, little Jack Hanna.
It's all right. Dolores Eiston celebrating birthday number 92 this year. Looks like she's got lots of cards and some pretty flowers too.
That's called being loved right
Miss
there.
Dolores is in Columbus, Kansas.
Happy
Hope you have
birthday,
a wonderful
Miss Dolores.
birthday.
Look at all that surrounds her. That's tremendous. I love that. Crystal Gonzalez, she is celebrating her 42nd birthday. And a very happy birthday to Terry Purdy, who is out in Erie this morning. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Tanya, I'll tell you what, I know you've got a very important birthday announcement about the birthday club, and then how about I come back and wrap up 4-State Hero after that?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay.
Well, you can be a part of the birthday club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
And we take this time to honor the